Okay, today we're installing the Frunk trunk cargo net for Cybertruck. Before I do, quick plug for our little hooks that we have here, handy for grocery sacks. Of course, our armour protection for the front lip of the Frunk. Also any other black trim that you have on your Cybertruck. But to the cargo net. So this is what's in the box. You get the net itself. Unlike the Tesla one, this has a sort of centre section as well for holding on to things. I'll show you that in better detail later. Little pry tool. Then you get two of the L tracks. I've already installed one over here, just so you don't have to watch me, taking a nut out and putting it back in again. And then four of the L track clips that fit around the cargo net, as well as a little 10mm wrench. If you have your own 10mm wrench, it's probably going to be better than this one, but this does the job. I'm going to use it. Okay, so we're just going to pry this out. I mean, it takes no effort at all, really. Then we're going to pop these two nuts out. They're not usually in very tight. These don't serve a purpose other than they're just trim nuts for something like this. And we reuse these, so don't lose them. Okay, then we're going to grab this. So this is cast aluminium, goes in that way. Just fits right in there. Then we secure it back down with the same nuts. There are instructions included as well with this. There's just one thing I want to show you in terms of how to insert the cargo net clips into this. If you get it wrong, then it'll come flying out, which obviously we don't want, but it's just a way the L clips work. So let me just get this tightened up. That'll do. So let's take a look at the anatomy of the clips. So you get this piece, you get the spring lug, and then the way these go together, we're going to undo this top section. Like so. Get rid of the spring, put that on, put that back together again, like that. And then this will go through the net, but I just want to show you how it fundamentally works, because it's kind of important. So when you clip it in, this is sort of your little, like that. Don't do it like that, because it's just not going to, although it'll sort of stay in place, it'll obviously slide around. It goes in this way. And then the lug, or the sort of this trigger section, slots into the holes either side, so that way it's not going to move or slip out. So obvious, but just wanted to show you. So now we're going to just put it through the cargo net. You don't need to watch me doing these, but I'll just do this one, and through the magic of TV we'll get all four done in a flash. Okay, as promised, got all the hooks on now, looking good. Let's clear the area. And then another reminder, these go in like this, so parallel to the L track. We're going to put them right at the edge just to get the most out of it. Like so. Same on the other side. Put that in there, make sure it's secure. Same here. So you can see now you've got like a double net, so you can put your bigger stuff underneath if you want, and then smaller stuff in here. Just picked up a couple of random bits of junk from the workshop, but it just makes things nice and contained in your frunk as you drive along. There you go. Thanks for watching.